Today I'll be making some crab cakes from scratch. All right, put it into a bowl and pick through to remove the shells. I picked the shells out, it wasn't very many. Now I'm gonna make the mixture and pour it and mix it up with the crab meat. Okay, I whisked together some mayo, egg, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, a little red pepper, some Old Bay, black pepper, and garlic powder. I've added panko crumbs, roasted garlic panko crumbs to my crab meat and parsley, fresh parsley. Now I'm going to fold in my mayo mixture. Pour mixture into your crab meat. We've mixed it all together. Now we're about to form our patties. Okay, we formed our patties. We got about 9 patties out of a pound of crab meat with all the seasonings. I'm going to pan fry these. Place your lump crab cakes in a heated skillet. I'm using olive oil. Let them brown on both sides. The first side is brown. I'll flip them over. I'm going to let the other side brown and pull them out. Those look gorgeous. Here are our lump crab cakes paired with a fresh salad and some of my homemade sauce.